Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. Here we have a Subaru ECM that misfires. I don't know which particular car this is from, but I know it's from Shaun from Maryland. And now, there you go. Let's see if there was prior repair. There wasn't. Perfectly clean with some marking over here. Okay, let's resolder this guy. Let's turn on the timer and let's see how much time we're gonna take this time. I'm not gonna be looking at the timer because I don't want to be rushing, because last time I rushed this I messed up and I had to do it twice, so it's not great to be rushing. This one misfires on cylinder 6, so this is as common as it gets. We're going to use Amtech flux, NC flux. Usually I use RMA flux, but recently I really like this one. I definitely like the smell of it as opposed to RMA, and supposedly it's one of the best. Alrighty, I spent, what do we have, 37 minutes now. Spend a bit more time on inspection because the NC flux doesn't really work that well. Did you see the soldering first and the soldering now? The previous one just wasn't good enough. And with sure, NC flux is maybe a little easier to clean, but both wicking is much easier with RMA and soldering QFN chips. So I'm not sure about this. Luckily I have both 2 tubes of NC and 2 tubes of RMA, or 1 more tube left of RMA. Alrighty, now let's do some more cleaning. Alrighty, now let's just leave it like this to solidify. We got 46 minutes 13 seconds. I don't know if this could be done in half an hour. I mean, maybe it could, especially if you replace the chip, so you don't have to clean the old chip and resolder that one. And maybe if you don't have to clean the mask, or maybe we can find a better way to, faster way to clean the mask of the board. But yeah, 45 minutes, it's actually not a bad time. Not a very bad time at all. I don't complain about that. And this should be solidified. Yep. This is what it looks like. And the board is going back to Maryland, to Shaun. Shaun, thank you very much for your business. Thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.